times 8. I'm like, whoa, wait a minute. 5 plus 8 is 13. I've got a 13 in the middle. I think factoring is going to work here. So you guys tell me, how do I factor this one? I do x minus 5, let's say, and x minus 8 equal to 0. So the solutions to this polynomial equation are what? X equals to 5 and x equals to 8. All right, so you guys, you tell me, so what's the graph y equals x squared minus 13x plus 40? What's it look like? Can you tell me some things? Well, I think you can tell me x-intercepts, right? These are the x-intercepts, 5 and 8. Right? And let me call this thing f of x for the sake of discussion. Let me show you how we can find the vertex without using the vertex formula. In fact, this is kind of a better way. Where is the vertex? Oh, while you guys are thinking about that, what's the y-intercept? F of 0, right? Which in this case is 40. It's the constant term. So the y-intercept's at 40. Where's the vertex? What's the easy way to find the vertex? I mean, there's various things you could do. I kind of like taking the roots and averaging them. So 5 plus 8 divided by 2, right? So it's, what, 13 over 2? So about 6.5, right? Ooh, oof. What's the y value for the vertex? So this is quote unquote h, you know. K is f of h. So we have to calculate f of 6.5, which is 6.5 squared minus 13 times 6.5 plus 40. Yowzers. Hey, but if we wanted to find the minimum value for this function, that's whatever this number is. That's the smallest that this quadratic polynomial can be, the value it takes at the vertex. Can somebody calculate that for me? We're looking for 6.5 squared minus 13 times 6.5 plus 40. Or you could just take 6.5 squared over 2 plus 40. Nobody? Math is done by consensus, so if we can get two people with the same answer, then we'll know it's correct. Right? You guys going to make me go get my calculator? Hey, wait a minute. What am I doing? I have a smartphone. I should be smarter. 6.5 squared minus 13 times 6.5 plus 40. Come on, Google. Don't fail me now. Google, you're dead to me. Let's try that again. 6.5 squared minus 13 times 6.5 plus 40. It says it's listening, but it's not. Anybody? Yeah, like what's this number here? Negative 2.25. Anybody else get negative 2.25? I would. Oh, you did. Okay. See, we're close enough to the end of class that like it taints my view of when students answer things. But yes, thank you. But you don't know that I'm thinking in my head that when we're done with this example, we're done with class, do you? So that was, yeah, projection on my part. Anyway, so the vertex is at minus 2.25 comma 6.5, right? I think that's enough to graph, right? So here it is. I'll do my best. 40 and 5 and 8. And down here at minus 2.25 is where the vertex is. So the graph, roughly speaking, looks like that. So there you go. That's y equals f of x, where f of x is defined right above. Parabola opens up. We want to define the minimum value. The minimum value is minus 2.25. It can't get smaller than that, but it can always get bigger. So this is the same thing we're going to be doing Thursday. Like I'm just going to be doing more examples of this Thursday, and perhaps maybe the application problems for the other chapter. I'll try to hit a couple of those, but that's pretty much everything I know about quadratics I showed you today. All right. I should have a handout for you maybe next time, though. Thanks, guys.